Good morning. I'm in Hong Kong. So I'm here now. I'm coaching a client on a project, and be here for a few days, and then I think I'll go to Taipei. Actually, I need to do some things in Taipei, and I want to just hang out and see some people in Hong Kong. So maybe I'll do that. But just woke up, obviously, and give you the tour. We're not working today, but I have to work. I have to work on the script. But tomorrow is when we do our work. Hello! I'm going to be dropping in and out of this video because I realized that as I was shooting it, I didn't really have a plan of how things would go together, and they don't really make sense. So I'm going to add some more information as we go so that you know what's going on with these images. Like I said before, I was in Hong Kong for a job, and that job went well, and then I decided to hang out. So first I visited my friend Debbie and her sister Sharon, who let me stay with them. Hey ladies, you're awesome. And after that, I visited my friend Ronald and his girlfriend Sandy, who let me stay with them for several days as well. And they're all Hong Kongers, so they took me out and showed me really local places to eat, and we just played tourist, which was really a lot of fun. So that's what you'll see next. This restaurant here is a very traditional Hong Kong style restaurant. They're called Cha Can Ting in Mandarin. I'm not sure what they're called in Cantonese, but they're very typical of Hong Kong. What you just saw there was macaroni soup. And what you're about to see is my favorite milk tea. I really love Hong Kong. I like the people, I like the food, and I like just being there. So what you're going to see next is just a bunch of Hong Kong. I hope you enjoy it. I'm in the home of my friends Ronald and his girlfriend Sandy. Ronald I know from work, and he's a hairdresser, so as you can see my hair is up because he's going to cut my hair. And there's Sandy. Hi. There's Ronald.
Hello. How much else can you
Okay. You can just do whatever you want, and I will turn off the camera so I can't see you. Thank you. It's kind of short.
No.
Look at how short it is. Oh. Thank you. 好科感。
你可能要。
請緊握扶手。